nasira pa yung flood control natin. Dahil binangga ng barko.
Sir, sinong Solgen mo?
Sorry?
Solicitor General.
Sa?
Solgen. OSG.
Which one?
Solicitor General, sir.
Social welfare. Ha? Solgen. And of course, yung flooding. Pero so far, yung problema yung hangin. Malakas ang hangin. Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado. Walang baril, kahit isa. Hindi kami gumamit ng tear gas. Wala kaming ginawang ganun. What we have done is we will continue the libreng sakay, but we are going to stop the libreng sakay in MRT 3. We will transfer the libreng sakay to students. Sorry, I think I'm doing this wrong. Libreng sakay continues as is. That continues.
Wouldn't you want all of that money back in the hands of the Filipino people?
Well, the narrative.
May I just ask you why that's funny?
Where that?
Why that's funny? I'm asking you a question about the plundering of large sums of money.
Higit 5,500 flood control project ang natapos na.
Sir, how about the flood control project? Gusto po yung situation.
I don't think we can really talk about that now.
Oh, I don't think we talk about that now. Flood control ay umaabot daw sa 1.3 to 1.4 billion per day. Ay, hindi na papalahan nga lang baha. Kailan namin yan tatanungin sa Il Nino?
Noong Enero, inilunsad natin ang kalinisan sa bagong Pilipinas. Mahigit 40,000 tonelada ng basura ang nakolekta ng mahigit 22,000 mga barangay.
Mas marami tayong flood control ngayon kaysa noon. Pero ang problema lang, sana matuto naman ng tao na kung kayo yung nagtatapon ng basura. Okay. It's there's a hindi